Hey, welcome to another video of the Mark II. Today I'm going to be replacing this vinyl, well, I'm going to be removing this vinyl strip around the window because, well, basically I'll show you, it's all peeling off. So yeah, you see it's all peeling away. It's a bit of a state. So I'm going to try and get it off. And I'm going to try and get it off with a hairdryer. So let's see how that goes. So apparently all I need to do is try and heat this up to get the glue to loosen, and then try and get the card under there to pull it away. Haven't tried this before, so I don't know how it's going to work. Working a bit too well. Okay, well that's got most of it off. There's still a lot of glue which I need to get off. I'll probably use some white spirit or something to get rid of that, or some solvent. Yeah, there's a few bits around here that I need to get off as well. And of course around the top of the spoiler. But that wasn't too bad. So I'll do that. Maybe my next video I might do one of me getting the glue off. I don't know, maybe not. But to be honest, it looks quite good with just the black paint's under there anyway. So we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully that'll help you. to make your mind up to do it yourself or to not bother, because it's a bit of a pain in the arse and there's a few bits which are pretty tricky. Yeah, so maybe leave a thumbs up, drop a follow and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.